organization.
The absence of a health center in the area has irked the residents of Langdongdai as they have to travel 38 kilometers to get to Ryangdo Health Center in West Khasi Hills for medical treatment. Responding to the complaints, the KSU Nong Thrai SEPMI unit under the leadership of Kitbok Ryangtem, as the president met the district medical and health officer, West Khasi Hills Dr. E.G. Tariang Pajat, and requested her to set up a health sub-center in Langdongdai to address this issue. According to the KSU, the DMHO has assured them of taking the matter up with higher authorities.
Irks assuran ingi ba nam takane ka phase 2 nakaleng jong Langdongdai bladon pa kalis tikin le ekban kam ban ingai ba uso ru ulang ka jingjok nam takane ka jindu jingi takane sing ba.
The Sports Ministry has revoked the suspension of the